Okay, today's agenda is to teach you how to make a wrap. Not the singing type of wrap, just a wrap which you can eat. So I've got fajitas, like tortillas, not fajitas, tortillas in the fridge. And I'm gonna show you how to make the mix, the one that I make, which is kind of healthy as well, and it tastes nice. So here we go. Okay, let's start by preparing the vegetables. Onions, I keep onions in the fridge because it doesn't stink up the fridge in that way. I can do more, or we can just take this much, chop it up, and use that. If you want the onions to not make you cry, you can have an open flame next to it. So if I turn this on, this is kind of sweet, got it from Lidl. These are green chilies, not green pepper. They are from Ocado, and these are not sweet. They can be very spicy as well. This, in case you're wondering, is not wine. This is just hibiscus tea, which I make into a iced tea with lots of honey in it, so that it tastes even nicer.